Hi, I'm Sarah from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Forever DLX 4-in-1 car seat in forward-facing mode using the latch system. Before we begin, you'll need to prep your car seat. Remove the infant supports and seat insert and set them to the side. The infant supports are for rear-facing use only. Next, remove the lower anchor strap from storage by pressing on the red button on the lower anchor connector. Repeat on the other side. Be sure the lower anchor strap is routed through the orange forward-facing belt path. Unhook the tether strap from the plastic bar and lay it in the seat. Recline the car seat using the handle at the front of the seat into one of the 3 forward-facing recline positions, ensuring it is appropriate for your child's weight. Make sure it clicks into place. Place the car seat forward-facing in your vehicle. Make sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. For easier installation, fully extend the lower anchor strap by pressing on the gray button. Attach the lower anchor connectors to the lower anchors in your vehicle. Make sure the arrows point up and the strap lies flat and is not twisted. To tighten the lower anchor strap, place your hand on the center of the seat and pull on the free end of the strap. You can also pull the free end of the strap through the slit in the pad at the belt path to help tighten if needed. Extend the tether by lifting up on the tether lock and attach. Tighten the tether to remove all the slack. Test for tightness. Place your hands at the forward-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than an inch, remove more slack from the lower anchor strap, then retest for tightness. Reattach the seat insert if your child is less than 40 pounds by threading the buckle through the correct slot and placing the harness straps between the insert sides and middle section. Then, attach the pins on the insert strap on each side of the seat. Move the headrest back to the proper position for your child. Your car seat is now installed.